Welcome to Honey of Knowledge. This is Ashish Gourav, and today I will tell you 3 steps to solve any question on friction. Step number 1. Draw free body diagram and find out all the surfaces where two objects are making contact. Step 2. Find the direction of normal reaction and label them, and try to find out the value of all these normal reactions too. Step 3. Try to figure out whether these surfaces where objects are making a contact have sliding kind of a motion between the objects or static kind of a motion. If the objects are static in nature, then the friction would be of static kind, and it could be of any value from 0 to the upper limit of static friction. And if the surfaces are sliding over each other, then the friction will have a constant value of kinetic friction, which is the coefficient of kinetic friction multiplied with the normal reaction. And if you have a static kind of a friction, it will be between 0 to coefficient of static friction into normal reaction. So I'll repeat again. Draw the free body diagram. Try to label all the surfaces where objects are making a contact and find the normal reaction there and label them. And then find out whether the objects are sliding over each other on these surfaces. If the objects are sliding, you will have a fixed value of friction known as kinetic friction, which will be coefficient of kinetic friction multiplied by the normal reaction in that contact surface between two objects. And if the objects are static in nature, then the friction could have any value from 0 to coefficient of static friction into normal reaction. This was a very basic overview of how to solve any friction question. If you want a detailed video on this, I would definitely make it, but do comment if you want that, and that will be better for both of us, because I am planning to make videos on physics too, and my focus won't be entirely on the concepts of physics, but rather the portions of physics where it can be taught in an algorithmic kind of a way, where there could be steps to solve particular kinds of questions. So my focus would be to find out the areas of physics which can be converted into maths. So I will cover those parts of physics only. So do let me know what kind of topics you want me to cover, and I would be coming up with those videos. Thanks a lot. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon if you don't want to miss out on such videos in future. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.